What's up, YouTube? No Cali Kid here. Hey, I'm back. I just installed a full system exhaust from Two Brothers. Didn't get a chance to fully rev the thing because it's just too loud at home. So I'm out here on the street. I'm actually in front of the new 49ers stadium, Levi Stadium, and I'm surrounded with construction going on. And you know, with a loud construction going on, and see how loud this exhaust can be. So she's already fully warmed up. I just got done riding it, so hopefully you guys will have a full taste of how loud the exhaust is. So that's idle right now. Installed it myself. Took me about almost 2 hours. I took my time and also did a little bit of cleanup underneath, but it's pretty easy install. Plug and play. If anything, the hardest, the one that took me the longest is probably installing this stupid bracket here to make it align so it won't touch the tire. But other than that, it's pretty easy to install. Okay, so I'm gonna rev it to see how it sounds like. That's 6,000 RPM. 9,000 RPM. 10,000 RPM. Man, it is loud. I did not install a power commander on this, so I'm experiencing some backfiring, especially during deceleration. So I'm probably gonna save some money and buy me a power commander, and hopefully it'll smooth out or eliminate some of the backfiring. And I also noticed the miles per gallon on this kind of went down a little bit from 45 miles per gallon average to like around 42, 41, 42, somewhere around there. So yeah, it's pretty loud. Even with my earplugs on, which I use when I ride, this one here. These are the earplugs that I use. It's still quite loud. I can still hear it, especially on street riding. But yeah, I'm loving it so far. Actually, I was able to crank it up while I was lane splitting this morning, and people actually hear me, and they make way. So it serves the purpose. And I'm just hoping that I won't get pulled over for it being too loud. Anyway, that's it for now. And give you guys a zoom of the new Levi Stadium here. Okay, that's it, guys. Ride safe. Peace. Okay, guys, I found a little quieter area here to kind of test out my new exhaust. I couldn't really fully hear a little while ago because of the construction noise and everything. So anyway, again, it's a little bit quieter here, so hopefully have a better feel of how this exhaust sounds like. So here we go. Loud. All right, peace.